Thumbnails are reduced size versions of pictures or videos used to help recognizing and organizing them, serving the same role for images as the normal text index does for words. Thumbnails are basically created to provide you faster and smooth experience while browsing images in your gallery. They do replicate a phone's INFINIX folders, thereby making use of a lot of phone storage memory. These files tend to recreate themselves when deleted, but if successfully deleted, there's no noticeable bug or delay the time your phone gallery loads pictures. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nice having you here again, and if you are new here, consider subscribing so as not to miss out on any other content like this. So without further delay, I'll be sharing with you how you can get rid of those bugs in 2 minutes. We'll be making use of a third-party file manager called the ES File Explorer to simplify things. You can download the app from the Google Play Store if you don't have it already. After downloading the app, open Tools and click on Show Hidden Files. Immediately after that, you notice some files on the app that were not there in the first instance. So you have to locate the DCIM folder and now press the .thumbnail file. Click on Delete below the page and press OK to delete these files. You'll be surprised to see how much of your storage space has been used by these files. After deleting the files, don't be surprised to see the thumbnail files recreate themselves on the DCIM folder. So to permanently delete these files, you have to create a dummy file that will now prevent Android from creating the huge index file. So to create this file, click on New and select File and type in .thumbnails and press OK. That is all for this video, and if you need any other way to delete picture thumbnails, let me know in the comment section. Peace out.